So I got the shots. Hopefully they will work. This is my first time getting them. I don't want to have surgery.
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher.
Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher, Shalomie, and today I wanted to sit down with you and just have a quick conversation as to the obvious. I haven't been showing up like I used to show up. I'm lacking a little bit of consistency, and so today I wanted to kind of loop you in and let you know what's happening with me. So if you care to know if this is something that you're interested in, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. All right, guys. So like I said, I wanted to share with you what's been happening with me now. For the last little while, a little bit after the new year, I, brought some videos to you. I have a lot going on. I shared with you in one of my most previous videos that I am heavily involved in my church. I'm absolutely loving that aspect of where my life is right now. I'm also doing a little bit of traveling. My husband and I just came back from a trip. I shared a little bit of that clip with you. And before that, I also did a fresh, like a spring tablescape with you. So I have been putting content out, but not as much as I used to. And I just want to be, I just want to level with you. I just want to be honest with you. You are like family to me. To those of you who always keep reaching out and, ask me if I'm doing well. Thank you guys so much. I am doing well. But I find that as much as I love what I do, I'm not missing because I don't want to do the stuff. But lately, guys, to be honest with you, I've been feeling a little bit unmotivated, a little bit like I can't find like my get up and go to come out and make videos. I've also struggled with the direction of my channel. I want it to be more than just home decor. I'm sure that you've heard me say that in the past. I love bringing you home decor videos, but right now in the space and the season that I am in my life is what else can I bring to you? I want to be able to not just show you stuff, but to be able to teach you stuff, for you to have like really good takeaways when you watch my videos, to talk about things that you can apply to your life. And I have been struggling with that, guys, to be honest. I have been praying about it, praying for direction of my channel. One of the things, though, that is still heavy on my heart is the job losses within our community, among Black women, and how that number has just been spiraling like out of control. That is something that I want to keep the conversation going on my channel. So like I said, I want to bring you more than just home decor. I want to bring you things that are happening in life, things that affect us all on the day-to-day. That is where, the direction of my heart is moving in, to be able to bring you more so you can walk away with more. Another thing too that has been affecting me is, guys, I am getting like trigger fingers in both hands. Have you guys had that? Where your finger goes down and it gets stuck? It just came out of nowhere, and I have it in both hands. So that too has me very unmotivated with like doing my decorating and moving things around, because it's starting to affect my grip in this hand. And I will show you, I actually had an appointment this morning where I went and I got some shots. The band-aid is still on this one. I just took it off of this one. You see how it's red and swollen here? I just got a needle here for the thumb, and I got another needle here for this ring finger. So it's affecting both my hands. So that's another thing where I'm like, oh my goodness. So I got the shots. Hopefully they will work. This is my first time getting them. But if this is something that you have had an issue with, let me know what you have done. I don't want to have surgery, but let me know if there are any kind of like home remedies or exercises that you are doing to help cope with the pain. Like my finger goes down and it like locks, and then it's painful to kind of get it back up just out of nowhere. So I wanted to share that with you, a little personal. Yes, I know, but your girl's having issues with the hands, okay? So yeah, so that's what it is. I would also like to hear from you. Like I said, we're a family. What do you want to see from my channel? I know you enjoy the home decor stuff, but I noticed that even the last few home decor videos that I did, like the tablescape and stuff, it didn't really get a lot of views. So what exactly are you looking for? Be candid with me and let me know. Girl, I'm sick of them tablescapes. Girl, I'm sick of the living room. And I find that I'm doing, as a channel, we do the same thing over and over. We decorate the living room, we decorate the dining room, we do a haul video, whatever. Truth be told, I'm not doing a lot of haul videos as I used to do before. Reason being, number one, I no longer have a full-time job, so I am watching, the things that I do spend money on. Besides, I have a ton of home decor that I can just continue to recycle in different videos, but I don't want to do that. I want to bring you quality videos. I want to give you quality content. So that's number one, watching how I spend my money. And secondly, economically, I don't want to just be giving you guys stuff and now you guys are thinking, oh, I need to go spend money to do this. There are so many other things going on right now that we need to be focused on. The price of gas is super high. Food is going up, whatever. And I want to be sensitive to those things. So as much as I could do that, I don't want to do that either. I want to make sure that as we, grow our channel together and as we have these conversations, that I want to be really real with you guys and let you know what's happening, where I'm coming from, that sort of thing. And a big part of my channel and having you as family members, subscribers, family members, I want to make sure that I'm also sensitive to the content that I bring you. All right. So that is pretty much it. I just wanted to get on here and share what's, going on with you. I'm going to also be bringing you a little bit more faith-based content. I know that you guys enjoy that, not necessarily me coming on here preaching, teaching, that sort of thing, which I could do that too, but in a sort of way to kind of testify and show you, some things that God has done in my life and to give you an encouraging word, a word that will lift you up to let you know that, you're not the only one in the situation that you're in. And sometimes we're in some situations, we're having some challenges and going through some struggles, and we feel like there's no one else in the world going through these things. I want to be that reminder. I want to be that voice to let you know that the same God who did it before is able to do it again. So guys, let me know. Guys, you know how much I love you and I love to share and come on here and make sure that everyone's uplifted and that we're all good. That is a part of my purpose, and I want to continue to do that with you. All right, so that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you so much. You have no idea. And I am praying that I am motivated and I'm waiting to hear from God as to the direction of my channel that is totally going to be things and content that you enjoy and things that you want to receive from me from this side of the screen to yours. All right, so feel free, drop down in the comment section, let me know how you feel and let me know about, things that you may want to see. Before I close out, guys, I know someone is going to ask me, so on a lighter note, my hair, yes, I changed it again. I haven't worn this for a very long time, but when I went on vacation 2 weeks ago, I decided to do something so I wouldn't have to, be thinking about my hair while I was on my trip. So this is crochet. I do my own crochet, and no, I'm not going to do a video. There are many crochet videos on YouTube that you can watch, but this is crochet, and the hair is fluffy wand. So for those those of you who are wondering what kind of curls these are, this is the fluffy wand here, and I just put it in and get my scissors, go. So that is for you. All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off now. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome. I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It is real simple. Just hit the subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell that when I do upload content, you are one of the first people to know that I have a new video out. And you too, even if you're new, go down in that comment section and let me know things that you would like to see from my channel. All right. I appreciate you guys so much. To my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how much I love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie saying bye-bye.